Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to pause music while recording on your account on Telegram, easy and quick. First click on these three lines and now click settings, now click shot settings, and here you will find it, pause music while you're recording. Just click on it like this, and it will be turned on. And that's it for today. That's how to turn on pause. That's how to pause music while recording, easy and quick. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe. I hope this video is helpful for you, and thanks for watching until the end, and see you in the next video.